there in YouTube, Thunderbolt 1000 Productions here. The big day has come. We've reached 100,000 subscribers. All I just want to say is thank you so much for getting us to this milestone. It really means a lot, and I just, like, words cannot fathom how, I just find it amazing how just such a small guy like me in a town in the middle of nowhere in Northeast Pennsylvania that uploaded videos of trains that he got lucky to see, or documentaries, which is just me blabbering into a mic about so-and-so accident all by myself and all that jazz. It really means a lot to me. And I know there's quite a significant percentage of you watching this that probably aren't subscribed. If you haven't done so already, please definitely consider subscribing. It really means a lot to the, for your support to the channel and everything. It means a lot, believe me. And for those that are subscribed, again, thank you so much. So, without further ado, we're gonna go on with the unboxing of the play button, the silver play button. This is actually take 2 because my girlfriend, who's holding the camera right now, forgot to record the slicing of the tape and all that, but oh well, whatever. It's still authentic. I haven't actually taken it out just yet. So, got your little foam board, kind of like the unboxing my HO scale model trains. Is that in the way? Oh, alright. Oh. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packaged with great care by Ricky. So, thanks, Ricky, from Society Awards. If your order was damaged during shipping, or if you have any questions, please contact, usual crap. And, wow, would you look at that? An actual letter from the YouTube CEO, the name I shall not mention. Do you remember your first subscriber? Not really. Your 100th? Or your 1000th? I see what you did there. Chances are you do. And we know that you'll definitely remember your 100,000th subscriber, whoever that is. Thank you. Your fans may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe showed up as a recommended video. No matter how they came to your channel, fans stayed, and their numbers increased because of your unique voice and the excitement of being part of the growing community that you've established. That actually is quite touching. We are thrilled to see the developing of your community and are proud to honor you with the impressive milestone of reaching 100,000 subscribers with the Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know that your fans can't wait to see you engage and amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you'll do next, and we're here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your 1,000,000th subscriber, we may just write to you and ask, do you remember your 100,000th subscriber? And it's actually inscripted with, I don't know if that's legit or not, but the signature there. Ooh. And there it is. Wow. Now, of course, it's wrapped in some sort of, oh, it's already open. Okay. So I didn't need the dull razor blade anymore. And is that silica gel? And then whatever this is, if I can get it. Recognize your team. It's just advertising, but yeah, would you look at that? It's really shiny. You can see the reflection. Hello.
Here. This way.
Oh yeah, right there. My mom, so she can see it. But yeah, this is absolutely amazing, and the fact that people are actually willing. I'm almost about ready to lose it. This is, oh man. The fact that people are willing to sit and watch my videos, to watch this, young dweeb blabber on about old accidents, to talk about SEPTA, Penn-Z, Amtrak, whatever. You guys are more than just subscribers. Y'all are like family to me, and again, there's no other way to say this than just thank you. Just thank you so much for being there, supporting me, you know, subscribing, watching my videos, all that. It really means a lot, and I don't know what I'd do without you. I mean, I always thought, oh, I'd be lucky if I get like 1,000 subs or something like that, and look what we got here. We finally did it. 100,000 subscribers. Of course, I'm not the first YouTube railfan YouTuber to reach a high milestone like that. I think Coaster Fan beat everybody long ago, but this just, I don't know what to say. I mean, there's just no other way to put it. So again, thank you. Thank you. Just now I gotta find a good place to put it. Is there like a little, there's little wall anchors on the back. Yeah, I guess I can find a place in my room somewhere. But again, thank you. Now then, how are we gonna clean this up?